Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering everything up. Charge the Studio 3 above half and keep the USB-C or Lightning cable connected. Next, make sure your iPhone or iPad runs the latest iOS and that the Beats app is installed. Pair the headphones over Bluetooth and stay on the same Wi-Fi network. Firmware only pushes when the handset has internet. Once those prerequisites are set, open the Beats app and tap your device. This initiates the first visible step toward. You'll see a firmware prompt when the Beats app detects a new build. Tap Update. The app downloads to your phone and pushes the firmware to the Studio 3 while Bluetooth and power remain active. Do not switch apps, close Bluetooth, or unplug the cable. Interruptions cause failures. The headphones can show progress by blinking or briefly powering off and on. That's normal. Once the transfer finishes, allow the internal install to complete. The device may restart itself to finalize the upgrade. Once the update ends, verify the firmware version in the Beats app and test noise canceling and audio. If the install failed, don't panic. First retry using another USB power adapter and a known good cable, and keep the phone on Wi-Fi. If retries still fail, reset the Studio 3 to factory defaults, repair them, and run the update again. Key tip: always keep the headphones charging and the phone active during the entire push. Most failures occur from power or Bluetooth interruptions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.